Morning. I'm gonna go on a little adventure today with my good friend Chris, and we're gonna go out to the desert and check the cows on some dirt bikes. These bikes don't belong to us. A couple of good friends of mine own these, and I've got them down here. We're just gonna go ride for a couple hours on them. But this bike that I'm riding is a Husaberg, so I'm gonna show you how to start the old Husaberg. And you wouldn't think you'd have to do a video on starting them, but these things have a little combination. I'll show you. So they have two chokes, and they're not very easy to get to. So that red choke right there is the hot choke. The choke behind it is that black button, and that's the cold choke. You have to pull it all the way out to start it. All right, so I got the choke all the way out. I give it like maybe 2 pumps of gas with the throttle. And it's a left-hand kick, so it's real awkward. So you kind of kick it a few times light, and then when you get to the top of the stroke, they're tricky to start. Get a couple more pumps of gas. Yesterday it worked like a champ. Almost had it. They're tricky to start when they're cold. Alrighty, there's Husaberg running. It's a cold-blooded girl for a minute. I'm gonna let it warm up. There you have it. That's how you start the Husaberg. The desert where we run the cows, so I'd go check some ponds and stuff. But yeah, I got my buddy Chris with me, and wherever he's at. And Chris is a better rider than me. I've rode dirt bikes a lot, but it's been 20 years since I've had a dirt bike. So it'll be fun. We're just gonna take it easy and go enjoy the weather. Alrighty, well, we just made it back to the truck. Chris made it back with me safe and sound. A couple old farts out here riding our dirt bikes on the desert. Had a great time. The weather's absolutely beautiful. Had a nice ride. We've decided that we're not as young as we used to be. We've had enough, so it was nice to come back to the truck and have a cold drink waiting for us. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe.